Hello everyone, this is Damien again with another supplemental video, and this one is how do I bring in external sounds for sound design. And I'm going to demonstrate using my favorite program, Soundminer Pro, for this kind of databasing stuff, but you could do it with virtually anything. So if you want to bring in a sound effect as another layer, right, just type in what you're looking for. So maybe a whoosh. All right. Yeah, we'll just pick that one. And what I can do then is just drag that into here as a new layer. Now, in order to do it in Soundminer, I have to tell it no DAW. Otherwise, it's going to want to send the sound effect straight to Pro Tools or nothing else. So it will want to remap anything that's multi-channel, which we've seen before. And now all of a sudden I have this second layer that I can then edit with the time range selection tool, the I. And I can click over here and paste one piece of narration, two pieces of narration, one. I can assemble multiple this way. Now, I could also take this and just drop it onto SpectraLayers icon in the dock, and that would import it, which I'll do now, even though you won't be able to see it. But it doesn't show up as a layer. It shows up as its own tab, which is fine. I can also reveal in selected file in the Finder, and it will reveal it, and I can then do exactly the same thing down there. So there's about 3 different ways to get it in. My thing is, if it's in as a layer, it's much better if that's how you're adding things together, but you can really then go nuts with the sound design in this program. Notice that SpectraLayers wanted to mix down my inputted sounds to mono, since my main session here is mono.